Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. Did you watch my video yesterday? This one over here. I actually did an edited version of that and uploaded it to my YouTube channel, but it's played out exactly. Okay, we were trading up in here, and I mentioned this pullback and this leg here in the video. It's played out to the T. Couldn't be better. Okay, so you would have shorted that and went long, and a great outcome. So from here, we've traded into this back here. It's a level. Call that resistance. Possibility now. We get more of what I was talking about in the video. So if this is trading long, we could grab the fib, pull your fib up for those Fibonacci fans out there. The pullback into 61,786, so that could be a thing. So what I was talking about yesterday was, grab the fib again, this fib retrace here. I think we pulled that. Talking about 61,786, and it pulled right back down in here. This is a level that we need to be mindful of here as well. So we could mark that up, and I'm anticipating definitely some movement south. So let's take that out. All right, so I'm anticipating some movement south. Let's just mark that as a blue box. Resistance. We do have this level around here midway. That could be a thing as well. So you could kind of mark up that and just watch price as it trades down here. So I'll just call that a range mid. That'll do. So key levels, I guess, to be mindful of. Well, we've traded into that. Maybe a pullback here and possibly even deeper. Possibly. You've got to wait for the setup. You have to let the market invite you in. Right? There's no point taking a stab in the dark and thinking that this is going to rotate here. That's done on the lower time frame. I go down to a 3-minute chart and even a 1-minute chart, and I'll look for the market to draw me in, and it's going to show me, as it rotates, it'll give you an indication. But be careful, it's manipulated, and smart money is hunting stops, and they're after you. They're after your money. So what else can I say about this apart from I think we might get that during the day. So that will strengthen the US dollar. So I'll be looking for dollar pairs, and I think we've got a weak pound and euro. So those pairs could be a trade opportunity. Guys, I want to invite you to join my free Discord, and I want to show you this before I go, as I usually do. Here's a trade right there. See that dot? And see this orange line? This is a weekly level of resistance right there. Trade up into it. We've got this red line is telling us that we have a strong divergence and the market's overextended. That's your short. And as I mentioned in previous videos, I wait for the next candle after the dot, and I'm going to look around that level, anywhere between that and the candle body for an entry. And already that's your short opportunity. Take 2/3 of your position off here. The next signal that we could get here, if this continues down, and that'll be on the 3-minute. I would prefer to go on the 3-minute because it's generally a better signal. But this is a trade here. Look, see, guys, you I've been telling everybody about this. There's your trade alert, and that's your trade right here. These signals, I was looking at these yesterday. Don't take these when they're on a steep trend. Ignore those, but look at that. That would have been an entry point. Wait for the alert to give you the go-ahead if it fires. So that will be most likely a break of structure down here. Break of structure retest. All right, so that could be the opportunity short. But be careful, because we've got a weekly key level right here as well. All right, so we're trading through this range now. Weekly level here, weekly level here. All right, be careful. In any case, guys, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.